Oh, it is Ask Dr. Ben. There we go. That's better. How you doing? Oh, here, we've got our little new microphone. Let's try that, see if that's any louder or I don't know. Yeah, clearer. First question is from Jessica. Hello, Jessica. So the question is, can a person spread the virus by simply breathing, mouth closed, no sneezing, no coughing, no talking, etc.? Yeah, I haven't seen that investigated. The investigations that have been done that I've seen are all about droplets that would come out of your mouth when you're talking or when your mouth's open in general. Yeah. So something like singing, yeah, very much so. We know now that that floods the room with droplets of a certain size. I am not sure of the physics or like the number, like volume of droplets that are going to come through the nose. There are sites in the nose that would have virus, and we know this because that's how they do the test. Most often, they'll actually ram that thing up in your nose, even though they might get a better result if they were to look in your throat. Or, I don't know, it's like gag reflex versus somebody directly poking your brain. Yeah. Choose one, I guess. Yeah. So it seems plausible, and that's why I like it when masks cover both the nose and the mouth. I see a lot of people with the kind of half mask thing going there. They're blocking the mouth but leaving the nose open. And I think if you can only block one, that's the one to block, but you pretty much can block both of them, and that's probably a better idea. I would suspect that you're probably going to get less of those respiratory droplets coming out through the nose, but I don't know that for sure. Yeah, it just seems like it's going to be a little drier than coming directly from, a wet mouth atmosphere. How marvelous that we get to say that live. Yeah. Yeah, interesting question. Has not yet been shown, and these are real difficult experiments to do in the real world because you can't really turn back the clock. And when a person gets infected, they've probably been bathed in virus from somebody's mouth and nose, and or surfaces around them all at the same time. And there's no good way to say exactly which one of those viruses is the one that got in, because genetically they're all going to be pretty much the same. It would be very hard to tell them apart. You could imagine a way to do that sort of experiment, but you would have to find a way to get mice to only breathe through their nose, or only breathe through their mouth, which again, I guess you could do surgically, but that seems like a weird borderline to totally unethical kind of experiment. And I don't know, you might be able to get permission to do it somewhere, but yeah, I wouldn't pin my hopes on it. So yeah, good question. No answer, just no answer at all. Yeah, but made me think, and yeah, that's worth doing. I hadn't really considered. So thank you very much. This is a totally unsatisfactory Ask Dr. Ben. Goodbye.